What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna talk to you a little about abdominals and how you should approach training abdominals, because for the most part, a lot of people come in here and they just kind of bang out crunches and they have no intention of thinking about time under tension, thinking about how your abdominals work, not thinking about working in different sagittal planes and different planes of motion. And so today I'm gonna really kind of emphasize that you can get so much out of just 5 or 6 crunches than 25, basically what I call beginner crunches. And I'm going to show you what a beginner crunch looks like on this bench. So check this out, guys. Here's what most beginners do. I can probably do like 50 of those and get nothing out of it. So this next part is what a professional would do when they're doing crunches. So you start at the bottom position. Okay, got my 2 fingers right on my head, right on my temples. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna breathe in, engage my core, engage my Kegel muscle. And my Kegel muscle, yes, it is that muscle in between your butthole and your balls. I'm sorry for all the extreme information there. So from there, engage. And to engage your Kegel muscle, you basically act like when you're peeing, you gotta like stop midstream. That's your Kegel muscle. So engage that, breathe in a little bit, and come up. And when you come up, I want you to think about each vertebrae from your spine coming off of the bench every time. So starting with the cervical, up, then my back, then my mid back, then my tailbone. Breathe out on the way up, and then slowly come down where your tailbone, low back, mid back, cervical. Repeat. Gotta really hold attention here. I'm telling you guys, I just did 2 and it feels like I did 50. All right, guys, there you have it. I swear, if you guys do that, you're gonna see 6 packs real in no time.